A Trimpot is a 3-terminal variable resistor that outputs the analog voltage. It is used for tuning, calibrating, or manually controlling the voltage applied to electrical devices. Let us take a look at the sketch. This code reads the analog value from a Trimpot connected to pin A1 and converts it to voltage, displaying it in the serial monitor. First, an analog pin is assigned to the Trimpot. This pin reads a varying voltage depending on the Trimpot's position. In the setup function, serial communication is initialized so we can print and observe readings. In the loop function, the analog value from the Trimpot is read using analog read. Small delay is added for stable readable output. This code is useful for controlling brightness, speed, or other analog parameters using a Trimpot in Arduino projects. You can see the voltage reading change when the knob is rotated. A Trimpot can be used to adjust audio volume. It can also be used to control the brightness levels of lights or displays. It can also be used for sensor calibration, making it an essential component in electronics. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.